One bright evening, as the sun was sinking on a glorious world, a wise old cock flew into a tree to roost. Before he composed to rest, he flapped his wings 3 times and crowed loudly. But just as he was about to tuck his head under his wing, his beady eyes caught a flash of red and a glimpse of a long pointed nose. And there, just below him, stood Mr. Fox. "Have you heard the wonderful news?" cried the fox in a joyful and excited manner. "What news?" asked the wise cock. "Your family and my family and other animals have agreed to forget their differences and to live in peace and friendship from now on forever. Just think of it. I cannot wait to embrace you," said the fox. "Do calm down, my friend, and let us celebrate the joyful event." "How grand! I certainly am delighted at the news," said the cock. But he spoke in an absent way and stretching up on tiptoes, and he seemed to be looking at something afar off. "What is it that you see?" said the fox, a little anxiously. "Why, it looks to me like a couple of dogs coming this way. They must have heard the good news you told me." But the fox did not wait to hear more, and off he started on a run. "Wait!" cried the cock. "Why do you run? The dogs are friends of you now, as you told me." "Yes," answered the fox while he was running away, "but they might have not heard of the news. Besides, I have an important errand that I had almost forgotten about." The cock smiled as he buried his head in his feathers and went to sleep, for he had succeeded outwitting a very crafty enemy. The moral lesson here in this lovely story, my friends: the trickster is easily tricked. Do not trick people, they might outwit you. Thank you very much.